Here we are taking a look at a few rifle caliber pistols. These are pistols chambered in intermediate rifle rounds. This being an AR pistol with a 7.5-inch barrel, also have a 10.5-inch barrel. This one's chambered in 223 or 5.56. The Draco is an AK pistol, chambered in 7.62 by 39. This one is a Century Arms Draco. Here we have the Kel-Tec PLR. It's a 223, 5.56 pistol, all polymer receiver, fairly lightweight. I have drums for all of these. Fairly nice. Thanks for checking them out. As always, favorite, subscribe, thumbs up if you like the video, and always open to comments and suggestions. Thanks for checking them out.